Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today, I have a little bit of a cheat. Next time you make brats, make this mustard sauce. It starts off with a half a cup of yellow mustard, followed by a third of a cup of apple cider vinegar, followed by 2 tablespoons worth of honey, followed by a half a tablespoon of chili powder, followed by a half a tablespoon of paprika, followed by a teaspoon of onion powder, followed by a half a teaspoon of chipotle powder, and of course some salt and pepper. If I had to guess, about a teaspoon to a half a teaspoon each. Then grab a whisk and whisk all this together. And then you want to add a half a teaspoon of soy sauce. And then stir this around again. And then you want to cook this over medium-low to low heat for 25 minutes. This sauce does take some time. And you want to keep whisking it semi-regularly. So, again, medium-low to low heat, 25 minutes. Okay, through the magic of cooking show editing, the 25 minutes have elapsed. And now you want to add 1 tablespoon of oil. It could be pretty much any oil you want. Peanut oil, grapeseed oil, veggie oil. I decided to do the garlic olive oil that I made when I made the garlic bread pepperoni pizza thing. Link to that video is in the description below. And then you want to, again, return this to the flame, simmer it for about 15 more minutes, just long enough for us to cook our brats. All right, brats have been cooked, mustard sauce has been spread on top, and that's pretty much it. So like I said, you want to try something new with brats next time you make them, give this sauce a shot. Oh, and by the way, this is the mustard sauce for brats, and it is done.